All right, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automate Christmas with this right here. Let's get started. All right, so what exactly is this? This is a Wi-Fi smart plug. The brand I have is by TP-Link. It's called the Kasa smart plug, and it connects to your home Wi-Fi. Also has a manual button to turn on and off. It gives you the ability to basically automate Christmas. I put one of these on every single Christmas light in my house. Yes, outside in the front. Yes, in the back. No, they are not outdoor rated. They're not weatherproof. But with a cover over them, you should be all right. And these are cheap enough that if something happens in a couple of years, just buy another one. I have like 10 of them in my house, and they are crazy addicting. So they can run a schedule. So at a certain time every day, so for example, at 6 p.m., I want to turn on all of my Christmas lights in the house. So at 6 p.m. these turn on. Well, I don't really want to turn these off or worry about leaving them on overnight. Yes, we use a lot of LED bulbs. However, they can still get hot. There can still be shorts in the house, in the wiring that potentially can cause a fire, even with an artificial tree. So yes, it's nice to have these automatically turn off at 10:30 at night so that we don't have to worry about turning them off before bed. You can also run a program on your phone that says, basically turn off all of them. So in case you forgot to turn off one, or there's one on a schedule, or you're going to bed early and you want to turn off the lights, you can just, with one simple button, turn off all the lights in your house. So let's see it in action. All right, so let's see this in action. I got my phone set up right here. So right now you can see that there's one light on. I actually have that on a smart switch as well. So we can go ahead and turn that one off just with that simple press right there. But let's say we want to turn on the main Christmas tree. I'm going to scroll down here and see Christmas tree. One simple press, and just like that, Christmas tree is on. Well, there's that garland right here that we have some lights on. Let's turn that on as well. Boom, just like that, it's on. You can see through here I have outdoor lights, patio lights. My name is a little off. We used to have a Halloween web out front, so I labeled them based on kind of what they're used for, and you can just turn them on and off, kind of right here. Let's dive into this fireplace village, which is just on the other side of the camera, right over there. So you can go into schedule here. So you can see right here at sunset, turn on, which is nice because sunset may change throughout the year, especially summertime versus wintertime. And then I have it turning off at 10:10 at night. Very user configurable. You can set different days for days of the week versus weekend if you want to run different schedules. You can also set a timer. You can look at the runtime of these and just kind of look at how long have they been on for, what people turn them on manually. But yeah, with this one simple app, you can kind of just automate Christmas. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.